dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys my shopping haul. I picked up a couple of things at the stores. I like to go to the stores on Wednesdays because Wednesdays is like on Monday and Tuesday they stock, and then Wednesday it's ready for like the weekend, right? So anyways, I go to this plaza and it's in Winter Garden here in Florida, and it has a bunch of stores, but the ones that I went to today was Ross, Burlington, and then Home Goods. It's attached to Marshall's too, so the Home Goods and Marshall's is one store. It's a huge store. Anyways, so I'll show you guys what I got, and I'm actually in the car line because it's early day for my kids, so I had to come pick them up, and then I didn't have time to eat, so I brought my lunch with me. I just made myself a salad with turkey, and then yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so I just finished my lunch. I feel better. I was starting to get a little hangry. Anyways, so we're gonna start with Burlington. So, guys, this is my favorite razor in the whole world. When I was younger, I used to, like a teenager, I used to get razor bumps like crazy because I used to use the disposable ones that come like a million in one pack. And I used to use them like double, like I was gross, okay? I didn't know any better, but now I know better. So I found this one like a couple years ago. It's the one that has the soap around it. Can you guys see it? I've tried all the scents. They're all good. I don't really care. It's all whatever. It all smells great to me. But basically you could just, your leg or your armpit or whatever it is that you're shaving, just make sure that it's wet, and then you shave it, and you don't get any razor bumps. You don't get cut because it's not super sharp that just by looking at it you'd be getting cut sometime. Maybe that's just me. Anyways, I got that. Normally this is $10 at Walmart. Other places is like $12.99. I found it for $6.99, so that's good. And it brings, you know, the actual razor with the 1 bar of soap on it and then an extra one. So the refill pack, I think it brings 3. Is like, well, heck, I don't know now with all these prices going up, but it used to be like $13, $14. I do get them on Amazon because I do find them to be inexpensive on Amazon, so I can leave a link for that in the description box if you guys want to try it. But I really like this, so I'm happy that I found it. My husband actually just bought me one for our anniversary, a pink one, because it was a scent I had never tried. So, and he knows I really like these, so he bought that. And he bought me a different razor, and it's okay, but I cut myself because I don't know how to do it. Anyways, I also picked up, guys, I love to buy these type of things in Burlington and Ross. They're so good. Like, you can find things for at least a couple cents cheaper or $1 cheaper. A lot of times it's a lot more than that. Anyways, like for example, this, I got this for $3.99. This in the store, maybe it's like $5 or $6, especially with prices going up now. Listen, it's probably more than that. So I'm happy that I found this. My husband likes to use, he wears like the stick deodorant, but then he likes to reapply with the spray one, and my kids really like the spray one because they're lazy and they say the other one tickles. So I got that. And then the only other thing, like I told you guys in the last video, I'm going to a funeral this Friday. So I was gonna wear the shirt that I had, one of the black shirts that I tried on in my Amazon try-on video, but it's like, it's the sheer one that had like the floral print, but it was like see-through. So in Maryland it's cold, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to wear a jacket, so then what's the point? And I get hot easily, but I also can't wear like a little see-through shirt and think that I'm gonna be okay. So with all that being said, I found this sweater. I did try it on, so I'll show you guys a clip of that here. Okay, so as you've seen, I think it looks cute, and it's like a really soft material. I love the sleeve of it. I'm wearing black. My car is black. This is not working. But anyways, it's a really nice material, and it'll keep me warm. And I like the little detail on here. Little pearls. I don't know. But it was $16.99, and I got an extra large. So I really like it. I'm excited. Okay, moving right along. This is all from Ross. My kids, they lose their water bottles like it's their job. In their defense, they do use them a lot. Like, they have to have a water bottle for school. They have to have a water bottle for practice, which they go to soccer practice 3 times a week, sometimes 4. They also have to take them to their soccer games. So it moves a lot. I've tried buying them separate ones, and then they end up like losing them, leaving them. Listen, my kids just, so I just buy new water bottles, guys. My husband, don't tell him. I don't think he's gonna watch this video. Maybe he will, I don't know, but y'all don't tell him. Don't tell on me. I bought another water bottle. He's gonna be so mad. Anyways, it's okay. Honey, it was only $5 if you're watching this. So I got this water bottle. It's pretty big. It holds 64 ounces. And it was only $5. So I got 2 of them. I got the blue one and then a black one. Black/gray. Can you guys see it? This lighting is weird. Anyways, it's the best I can do, okay? Because I got a lot going on today. And then, OMG, can you see? This is a Fenty, what is this called? A highlighter. Okay, so the colors are a little, but shoot, it's Fenty, y'all. Okay, I got it from Ross. It was $8. I feel like, how much is this regular? I don't know, but I feel like it's more than $8, hopefully. But let's open it together. Oh, ooh, pretty. Can you guys see? Oh Lord, can you see? Okay, these are the colors. Ooh, it's pretty. Here, let me. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. I want to try this blue. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so it kind of looks whitish. Can you guys see? It looks like, you know, it's supposed to be blue, but I mean, I'm sure it has a hint of blue. I'll put it on. Oh, I put too much. Whatever. Am I going somewhere? I'm just going to practice. Nobody cares. Oh, I'm sure if I actually had makeup on, it would look better. I like it. Okay, and then there's this like pinky color. Ooh, that one's pretty. Can you guys see? I can't see the camera and I can't really tell. Anyways, it's pretty. I like it. Guys, okay, I like this. Side note, I know I talk a lot, guys. Okay, I talk a lot. Okay, so I was up all last night and I get these like weird, I don't know. I just started looking. There's this. Okay, I told you guys, if you've seen my Target, okay, calm down, breathe. Guys, when I want to say a lot of things, I never finish my thought process, and then I'm just talking and like just saying a bunch of stuff. And when I'm editing, see, I just did it again. When I'm editing videos, I'm like, girl, slow down, like relax. Finish what you're saying. So I'm gonna try and finish my sentences. Okay. I went to Target, and my Target shop with me / try on, whatever. If you guys didn't see that video, go check it out. But I bought my this called Naturium, and it's my facial, what is it called? My skincare. Okay, it's skincare products, okay? They're so good. So I went down this rabbit hole of like, at first I started on her Instagram. Then I went to the Naturium Instagram. Then I went to the YouTube. Then I got into like fillers and skincare and all this stuff. So anyways, guys, I'm so crazy. I got up at 3 o'clock in the morning because this happened at like in the middle of the night. Okay, I couldn't sleep. At like 3 o'clock in the morning, I realized that I forgot to wash my face. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, that's not even a big deal to me. That I'm not one of those that, oh, I gotta wash my face. I need to be, because listen, I'm 31 going on 32. Your girl's not gonna stay cute or young forever, so I need to start working on it. But which is why I'm doing this, right? I got something else from Ross, I'll tell you guys in a second. But anyways, so what was my point? Oh jeez, what was my point? My point is I went down this rabbit hole and I was like, oh my gosh, that I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning. So I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and guys, I went to go wash my face. And then since I seen how you're supposed to apply this stuff, like how you're actually supposed to do it, not how I do it, that was all wrong. I was like doing it. And my husband was like, Caroline, I'm like, yes. He's like, what are you doing? Washing my face. So he's like, okay. But I mean, he doesn't care, but he was kind of like, what is wrong with this girl? He thinks I'm so weird. Anyways, so if you guys want to see, because I bought a bunch of stuff, guys, I went to this, then from the girls page, I ended up in another girls page, and she's a doctor, and then she was saying like all these things that you need to do. So then she had links, and I was just add to cart. So I got a couple things coming in the mail. So if you guys would like to see like a skincare routine, maybe my sister can show me before I show you guys, because I literally don't know what to do. But I learned a lot last night. So anyways, if you guys want to see that video, it can be funny, because if you've seen my makeup videos, y'all know I'm a hot mess. Okay, don't follow what I'm doing with makeup. But anyways, so if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, okay, stop talking, Caroline. Okay, so then I found this. It's called Winky Lux Glossy Boss, and it was in those boxes that is the security, and you can't really open it or see it. And the name of the thing was birthday cake. Oh gosh, are you guys gonna be able to see it? No, I don't know how to do this. Okay, believe me, it's a little pinky color, and it's called birthday cake. So I was too excited. Literally, I got in the car and I was like, oh, I gotta look at it. I don't like it. Okay, it's so pretty. Can you guys, let me show you. Hold on. Oh Lord, can you see it? I hope you can. So it's like a pinky color, right? And then I put it on, you can see it a little bit. It's just clear, like it's a clear, let me just show you. It's pretty, it's just not something I wear. Can you guys see it? It's right there. It's just clear, and it has like a little bit of glitter. It's pretty. So I figured maybe I can put it on over another color. I don't know. I just be buying stuff. How much? $4 wasted. The packaging is cute. I had high hopes for this, guys. All right, I'm done. Okay. This is Ross. Oh, I'm gonna add a clip that I just recorded. I bought some ginger jars. I took them out so they don't get ruined, so I'll show you guys that now. I got these ginger jars from Ross, and they were $16.99 each. I got 2 of them. I'm wanting to add blue for my spring decor. We'll see. I'm still deciding, but I did pick these up, and I love them. Okay, I had to take it out because I didn't want it to get ruined in my car. Anyways, how much time do I have? Okay, I have to hurry up. So, Marshall's has a lot of clearance stuff right now, like, you know, like the yellow marked stuff. A lot of the skincare stuff, the shampoos, the, you know, all that type, like the drugstore type stuff. It's all on, not all of it, most of it is on sale. But I didn't find anything that I needed. I always buy stuff and then I never actually use them, so I'm trying not to, like that lipstick stuff. Listen, after I seen that I didn't like that, I was like, I'm not buying nothing else. Did I buy something else? Oh, I did. Ooh, these people are looking at me like I'm crazy, I'm sure. Okay, anyways, so I got my husband some tank tops. These, it's three tank tops for $3. So he uses these literally like once or twice, and then he washes them, and if they get like dingy and ugly, he throws them away. So yeah, I just bought him new ones. And then they also had these. They were $4 and it brings 4, so each of them was $1 per shirt, so that's really good. So I got that for him. And then, as I was saying that I didn't buy anything, okay, so I need eyeshadows. Guys, can you believe I've literally never had a nice palette, like an eyeshadow palette? I've always had like cheap stuff that I pay like $2 for or something at Target or Walmart or whatever. And I don't really do too much in my eyes anymore. I used to when I was younger, but now I don't. But I figured, why not? This was $4.50, and it has a lot of pretty colors. Can you see? And they're like, they have matte ones and then they have shimmery ones. So I don't know, I like them, and I bought this. It's the point. Okay, and then like I told you guys before, or in the last video, my kids have a tournament this weekend and it's gonna be cold, so I found this. It's like a little sweater. What is this? It's like a shirt, but it, you know, it's a long sleeve, and then it has, it's like a athletic one. You know what I'm talking about? Anyways, I got it. Well, how much was it? It was $12. That's expensive. I'm cheap. But it's super stretchy. It's the Jockey brand. So anyways, I got this, and I'm probably gonna wear it on the day where we're gonna be there for 2 games. Anyways, is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, my hand is sticky now. Anyways, that's it. I'm going to work on some, I have to change a thumbnail for one of my videos, and so I'm gonna work on that and finish my food, my lunch. I have some strawberries, and then I have some chips. I'm gonna finish my lunch. And my kids should be coming out in 10 minutes. So, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know I talk a lot, but I love you. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you have your notification bell on so that you get notified every time that I post. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.